Okay, guys, once again, I chose this trading analysis for supply and demand, this time for USDCNH or the Chinese yuan. Well, because I found lately this pair very interesting because of I saw a couple of supply and demand forming on this instrument, Forex instrument. So as can you see here, um, I'm looking this trade. I'm looking into this trade to buy because for me, I can see some strong uptrend for this, but maybe that will be the long term trend because of this line. As you can see on the daily time frame, we can see a higher high, lower low, then suddenly this one is supposed to go up, but it didn't happen, then a few retracement and then shoot up again. So if we try to put some trend line here, it appears that it's forming a triangle, and then before breaking it up. Okay, so most probably there is a little bit of supply here, and that's why I can see on the daily the when the price retraced back, it cannot even reach this portion right here, which if we look at from the hindsight, it is forming a very tiny supply demand here, which means it's very strong, I think, because it didn't take too much time on here before shooting up, and even the retracement didn't stay long there and shoot up also, and even create a higher high. Okay, and then if it go here on the 4-hour chart, actually this is the demand. I was able also to put my buy trade here, but unfortunately the price wasn't able to reach it and then shoot up. Okay, so that's for our long term analysis maybe, but for our short term, or let's say swing trade, based on our 4-hour chart, as we can see here, the price somehow slower down and beginning to do a retracement back, but we are not sure yet if it's this one is the, I mean, the point wherein the price will go straight what do you call this, uptrend again, or this might be only a little sideline, or maybe it will retrace again this trend line right here on the daily. But for the meantime, what we are seeing here, the price just as last week formed a demand and then trying to retrace, but it didn't reach, creating a base here. Actually, last week I was looking into this fair, that if it will create a base formation, I am pretty sure that the price will shoot up, and lo and behold, the price really chop this supply level right here in the 4-hour chart. So the next level we have will be this one, which as we can see in the daily time frame, somehow the price respects it. Okay, so actually I put my what do you call this, the alert here, so that when the price reaches here, if I'm busy in the office, for example, at least I can see on the signal on my phone or the alert, and then I can look into it and decide again whether I am going to sell or not. So it depends, maybe this coming Monday, if it what I mean the formation of the price, we cannot tell. But yeah, there's a potential to sell right here, and maybe on the daily we can either try to, yeah, somewhere here. But I think the profit potential, um, yeah, I think fine enough. If this one going to here, because we have demand here which could be a bump, and of course we cannot guarantee that okay the price will just go down straight, not like that. So we have to minimize, to control our trade by using risk management. Okay, so if we put a short sell here, something like this, so maybe like that until here with a ratio of 1. Oops, sorry, I was thinking the ratio is very small, but somehow at least 3. See, we can make like 2.25, not bad. If you're looking for a trade and if you accept that risk, I think it would be fine. As um, because of our supply and demand is giving us this signal, so we can take this as that. Okay. But like what I've said in the bigger picture, the price is uptrend. But yeah, and it's a little bit risky because the price just retraced back down, going up, and then as you can see, we have a daily demand supply here. The price breach it. So meaning to say the sellers are a little bit weaker compared to the buyer, so we have to very careful to that. Okay, but like what I've said, if you are into the 4-hour chart, by looking at the hand side, there's a possibility that the price could maybe go down. But once again, there's a lot of retracements happened already here. This one, and even this one already retested it. So yeah, it's maybe it's up to you if this one could be. I mean, your risk level accepts this risk and reward. Okay, but like again, the risk is a bit high because of the trend. It should be go up. But what I am trying to point out here is the levels right here, which are very clear. Okay, so it's nice to like play around on this level. So let's see what will happen on this, on the maybe Asian open, Asian market open. All right, and think, yeah, we have to check it again tomorrow, Monday, here in Asia, because I am trading in Malaysia, so it would be Asian time. I'm watching on that time zone. All right. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and hope to see you again on the next forex analysis. Bye.